Hi all, in this video we are going to see about introduction to virtual reality. That is, the topic one is a fundamental concept and components. That is, genesis of virtual reality. The term virtual reality initially coined by John Dunn, the founder of VPL in research in 1989. At the time, it was basically used in flight simulation and to train pilots. Yes, what is meant by virtual reality? Virtual reality is a computer system which is used to create an artificial world in which the user has impression of being in the world with the ability to navigate to the world and manipulate objects in the world. It is also known as synthetic environment, cyberspace, artificial reality and stimulators technology. The types of virtual reality. The type of virtual reality consisting of adventure games, window on world system, projector, semi-immersive and immersive system. Advantages. Adventure games textually describe virtual world where a user prescribes a virtual environment to mental images based on a world's read like reading a novel. Window on world. It is a 3D virtual environment graphically displayed on desktop computer monitor. It is known as a desktop VR or window on world, that is WoW. Projector, the 3D environment projected onto screens and a single user to demonstrate concept of group of people. A cave where several screens used to surround another user with images. It's the most advanced form of projector VR in use today. Next, devices used in VR technology. The devices consist of cave, head-mounted display, gloves, 3D mouse, space ball, video camera, shadow, voice recognition, biological sensors, and full body suits. These are devices which is being used in VR technologies. Next, we are going to see cave. As already showed, the cave has been surrounded by three layers. That is three side layers and a bottom layer which is being captured by a camera. That is, cave is a cave automatic virtual environment. A cave involves a constant room with the graphics projected from behind the walls. Image on the walls are usually steered to give depth to view. It is easy for several people to be in room simultaneously and therefore see images together. And it is easy to mix real and virtual objects in the same environment. Next, we are going to see head-mounted display. This head-mounted display is a set of helmet or a face mark that holds virtual and auditory displays. In head-mounted display, projectors feed real-time images to small screens attached inside a kind of helmet that the user wears. In modern HMDs, the stereo pictures are standard. Pinch gloves. Pinch glove enables a natural interaction within the objects. It uses hand sign to execute actions and it continuously tracks the motion of user's hand and limb and accordingly to give signal to the transmitter. Next, we come to a 3D mouse. This 3D mouse consisting of two parts, vertical and horizontal. Vertical and horizontal part. Each part has some buttons. With different combinations of these buttons, the user can produce a different position with a 3D environment. Next, we will be seeing input process. The input process consisting of it controls input devices such as keyboard, joystick, 3D position such as a glove, and bodysuit, voice recognition system, etc. Some gloves can also have a gesture recognition. The object is to get coordinated data from input services and rest of the system. Stimulation process. It is a core of virtual reality program. It handles interaction and stimulation of physical laws which determine the world status. It is described process which is being iterated once if each step of frame. This process finally decides action to be taken place in a virtual world. Next, the rendering process. It creates sensation which is output data which is being used output data to the user or the network process. There are separate rendering processes for following, for example, visual rendering, auditory rendering, and haptic rendering is been there. Next, we are going to see about applications. The applications of science, technology, visualization. The science technology can apply stimulation, view complex 3D molecular structure. Next, we have applications such as medical surgery, rehabilitation. We are being used. Next, we are going to education conferences. The education conferences we are being used. Whereas we will be seeing business. In business, we are being used in many applications. Next, we are going to see about architecture, design, and prototype. Where the application of VR and enablement of architecture, design, and prototype. That's the main objective of the VR is nothing but your entertainment. Where entertainment field consists of is a very huge number of persons, a huge number of people who go for entertainment. So VR application will be there for entertainment also. Hence, this is a 3D molecular structure which is being used. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.